Sorry guys, I had to move cameras because my other camera is out of storage again. I have to put these videos out. It's crazy. Like I was saying before, I'm so happy because I got this bag and like now I can give her back her bag and with extra shit or whatever. Well, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm giving my sister back these pants that she let me borrow for an interview, and that was so good because I did not have any clothes for an interview right at this moment. Well, I did, but it was in my boxes and I didn't realize I had it. But it was actually in my boxes. But I didn't check it. And so we're gonna get these back. I got the job. I'm so grateful for her. And next time I definitely will be checking my things a little bit closer. But yeah, this is for delivery today after I get this guy's hair done. So many goals that I want to reach, and I'm basically just like taking every day to do that. And today we're gonna start with cleaning this fridge up. Not only have I been wanting to do the fridge, but they've been asking me to clean the fridge up. Um, and if you didn't know, I'm actually staying with family. But yeah, they've been asking me like, can you clean the fridge? I was like, hell yeah, I got you. Of course, sir. They're letting me stay here and I want to help out any way I can possibly help. But yeah, this is such an amazing opportunity to also get like um footage of the cleaning process. So yeah, um I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with when it comes to this fridge. Warning, it's really greasy, it's really packed, so I gotta get my buckle down. But look at this fridge, guys. It's a really nice fridge. Okay, well, let's get started.
Yeah, so I was just explaining here how I am using this opportunity to organize the fridge, like the contents inside. So I just, took everything out and organized them in food categories so that when post cleaning, it would feel better. Yeah.
Anxiety, keep on trying me. I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. My anxiety can't shake. I was able to get this fridge emptied out, and now I'm gonna just clean it out. Taking these bad boys out, first of all. So that's just how I did it. But I'm gonna hand wash those and go in go in with would be with this. Um, so I've emptied it out now completely. I'm just gonna go in with this spray. This is not the spray that I used for my last time. This is Fusion Cleaner Disinfectant. So let's see how it looks on this camera. Also, like, I feel like this is gonna work just as better.
Hey guys, so I just ended up using a regular scrubbing sponge.
You dealing with the body of course, or you dealing with the boss? Is there? And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Bad man, she love. Shake it to the max. Bad man, she love. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love, bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my booms and him still fall in love. Yeah, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel big a taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me, ain't too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. So they love how me whine, and make true religion. You dealing with the body, of course, or you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever tossed. Said he want me back, he can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love, and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all the sauce. And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
And like, when it comes to my vegetables and shit, like when it comes to my vegetables I have, and it's showing on my diet